did you go? Where did you come from? I should have known, I could have run from. But when I move, it just brings me back to you. I get this feeling when you hold me close. I know it's burning.